OBS Studio versus NVIDIA ShadowPlay. Choosing the right screen recorder can completely change how you capture gameplay or tutorials without lag or quality loss. OBS offers flexibility and customization, while ShadowPlay focuses on ease and performance. OBS Studio and NVIDIA ShadowPlay are two popular screen recording tools. OBS is an open-source, highly customizable software, whereas ShadowPlay is a lightweight, hardware-accelerated recorder built into NVIDIA GPUs. The core difference lies in customization versus simplicity and system efficiency. OBS Studio is a free, open-source screen recording and streaming software widely used by creators. It works by capturing your screen or specific windows, allowing multiple input sources such as webcams, microphones, and overlays. Its strength lies in extensive customization options, including scene transitions, filters, and real-time audio mixing. OBS supports various output formats and streaming platforms, making it ideal for professional content creators who need full control over their recordings. However, its flexibility comes with a steeper learning curve and higher system resource usage compared to hardware-accelerated options. Users with mid to high-end PCs who want detailed control over recording settings and live production will benefit most from OBS Studio. NVIDIA ShadowPlay is a built-in screen recording feature available on NVIDIA graphics cards. It leverages hardware acceleration to minimize performance impact, allowing for smooth gameplay recording without taxing your CPU. ShadowPlay offers easy-to-use controls with instant replay, manual recording, and broadcasting options. Its integration with GeForce Experience simplifies setup, making it accessible for gamers who want quick, high-quality captures without fuss. However, ShadowPlay's customization is limited compared to OBS, with fewer options for overlays or multi-source inputs. It also requires an NVIDIA GPU, restricting availability. ShadowPlay is best suited for gamers and casual streamers seeking efficient, hassle-free recording with minimal setup and system impact. Comparing OBS Studio and NVIDIA ShadowPlay highlights a trade-off between customization and ease of use. OBS excels in flexibility, supporting complex scenes, multiple audio tracks, and professional streaming setups, but demands more system resources and technical know-how. ShadowPlay, on the other hand, offers seamless performance with low overhead thanks to GPU acceleration, perfect for capturing gameplay on the fly with minimal configuration. In real-world use, OBS is preferred by streamers and creators needing detailed control, while ShadowPlay fits gamers wanting quick, high-quality recordings without interrupting gameplay. If you prioritize advanced features and customization, OBS is the better choice. The straightforward, efficient recording with minimal impact, ShadowPlay is ideal. Choose OBS Studio if you need powerful customization, multi-source support, and professional-grade streaming capabilities, especially on a capable PC. NVIDIA ShadowPlay is the best pick for gamers looking for effortless, low-impact recording with high-quality results, provided you have an NVIDIA GPU. Both tools serve distinct needs, so select based on your priorities for control or convenience.